Hi everybody, today I want to show you these earbuds that I just got. They come wrapped in this package and the case is like this. So when you open it up, they come like this. They have in several different colors. I'm going to put it right here, and they're really nice. The case is really nice. Open like that, and it comes with the adapter. You can just charge it. It takes about an hour to charge it, but it will last. A standby will stay for about 60 hours. Now, if you're using it, it will give you about 60 hours, again, depending on how you use it. But look at it, the really nice design. They have all the hands-free controls. You're gonna answer the phone, you can hang up, you can ask Siri or Alexa, whatever you need. It has volume control. You can fast forward, pause, the music that you're listening to. And it comes with a couple of sets of earplugs themselves so that it will fit your ear. They're very ergonomic. Once you put them on, again, I have wild hair, but once you put them on like that, they don't go anywhere. They're still there. They're still there, and they're very easy to use. Sound quality is very nice. You can be about 33 feet away from the receiver, from whether your cell phone or whatever it is you have it linked in. It will automatically connect to the Bluetooth. You don't have to do anything. As soon as you turn on the Bluetooth, it will find it and connect. And it's very nice. It's hard to tell right now in the sun. It doesn't show on the camera, but it does show here. It will tell you how much battery it has left, not only for the bars, but it will also give you a number. Like this one has right there, it says 82%. So it tells you exactly how much you have. I've used them a lot and the quality is excellent. And like I said, they are very sturdy. They don't go anywhere. Exercise with them and walk with them, and they're great. They have a built-in microphone in it. So again, you can use them for talking on the phone, and they are waterproof. And not to go swimming with them, but if they get wet, they will be fine. Sweat, it will be fine. And as any other earbuds, you can just put them on the wireless charger, or you can connect them right here with your charger. So very neat, very stylish, very good looking pieces. And so I hope that you guys find it as good quality as I am.